See, we can have the bird session? Yeah. But we need to call the birds, all of them. First, let's start on this side, then this side, then this side. But how are we going to call the birds? With this new bird whistle I made. It attracts all the birds. Okay. Try it. Okay, then and after that, all the birds are going to come here. Okay. 1 and a 2 and a 3. What is this whistle? A robin whistle. I said we just going to start on this side. That didn't work at all. Let's count to 29, and there come. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. You just passed 29. Who cares? I do. We'll be right back after this preview. Okay, we'll be back after these messages. Hello, would you like a new tricycle? Yes. Then you order this tricycle. It's the most new latest thing. Even try out a new tricycle for your babies. Your babies are gonna love it. Just call the number call the number that I say. 410-823-905. I don't know. I just forgot the number. If you heard it the first time, now call it. You can get this new scooter, Junior, including we also got a tricycle for senior citizens. Well, that's it for today. Hope you had a nice, bike ride. Bye-bye.